How to disable an app from using Wi-Fi on your MacBook. So in order to do that, we want to click on the Apple logo in left upper corner area and here open System Settings. Once your settings are opened, simply click on Network and here click on Firewall. Here make sure to enable the firewall and next click on Options. This window will pop up and here we want to click on this little plus down here. Now find the application which you want to prevent from using the Wi-Fi on your MacBook, for example iMovie, and click open. And now find the iMovie here and click on this little icon or this option, and you have to block incoming connections. Then click on OK, and now if you, for example, turn on your iMovie, it will not be able to use the Wi-Fi or internet connection. So that's how you can do it. If you want to enable it again, repeat the process, click here and allow incoming connections and finish the process. That's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.